Hey Ron, so here you'll see we're at 100 at 1020. I update the cart. It's all good. So when we hit over the next price break, so there's price breaks at 100, 250, 500, like 50, 75. If I go to 500, this should actually be going and recalculating the new price based off of the total of 600, but it's keeping that same per piece price of 1020. And let's see. I just want to see if actually going down in price it is calculating, because going up in quantity, it's not recalculating the price. But if I was to all of a sudden take this, all of it to 98 pieces, which again, if it goes below 100, it would be a new price break. And see, that one is working. So going down in quantity is calculating a new price. Going up in quantity is not calculating a new price. Just to confirm, the lower price break. This one also should have calculated down. So I'm not sure why it's not, but in the step 1, where we also have a price, there it is working pretty well. Thank you.